All right, boys and girls, let's do it. Here we are. All right. So, this afternoon we have a quiz, and so this is something that might go on your study guide. So, take your study guide out if you don't have it. So, for homework, you redid at least 3 problems from your notes, from video, from your notes from lesson, whatever. Now, we're going to do a little extra practice. So, the extra practice can go right in your study guide also. Ooh, let's check it out. So here's the first example. Write this down. Here's one with just distributive property. Let's see if we can do it. 5 times the quantity 4x minus 4 equals negative 60. Whoop! Like that. Okay. Distribute. 5 times 4x is 20x. 5 times negative 4, a positive times a negative, I'm going to draw this. It always helps me. A positive times a negative is a negative. So that's negative 20 equals, oh, don't forget the negative here, negative 60. Got it. Okay. 20x, so I'm going to add 20 now to both sides. Okay, so this is 0. So I have 20x here. Negative 60 plus 20. So if I owe $60 and I get 20, that means I still owe $40. Cool. 20 times x equals 40. So opposite of multiplication is division. So how many 20s going to 40? 2, right? 20, 40. And a negative divided by a positive is a negative. Cool. So x equals negative 2. There we go. All right. This one, let's try it. Example 2. 17 equals 3 times the quantity x minus 5 plus 8. Write that in. All right, let's try it. And you can try it if you want to. Pause the video, see if you can do the whole thing. Did you do it? I don't know. Hopefully you did. Hopefully you got exactly what I got. Let's see. 17 equals 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. You got that plus 8 here, or the plus 8. Okay. Combine like terms. Negative 15 plus 8. So negative 15 plus 8. Use your number line or you can count. So I'm getting more positive, right? Negative 15, negative 14, negative 13, negative 12, negative 11, negative 10, negative 9. Keep it going. Negative 8. So negative 15 plus 8. So that means I'm going to the right. 1, 2. Write this down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I need another one. So that would be negative 7. That would be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 7. Okay, negative 7. I got it. So sometimes you just have to do your own number line. 17 equals 3x minus 7. There we go. All right. What's the opposite of subtracting 7? I'm trying to get the x by itself, so this has got to go. I'm trying to get this by itself. So the opposite of negative 7, add 7. Yeah. 7 plus 7 is 14, bump the 1. 1 plus 1 in the tens place is 2. There's 3x on this side because this is 0. 3 times what is 24? That would be, 8. Got it. Nice job. Here's a tough one. 9 equals 6 minus the quantity x plus 2. This is a tough one. Why is it a tough one? Because it's got a little trick to it. So, remember what we talked about before. When you have a negative in front, that is a hidden negative 1. So put a 1 right there. So that's a hidden negative 1. So they just put a subtraction sign. You got to be smarter than that. You got to be like, oh yeah, I see that negative 1. I need to distribute right there. So, whoop! 9 equals 6. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x. -1 times +2, and negative times a positive is a negative. There we go. So a lot of people are just going to put -x and +2, but no, we're going to distribute to both. There we go. All right, let's combine like terms. 6, that's a +6, so it has nothing next to it. It's positive, that's implied, and -2. 6 minus 2 is 4. And this is -1x. Okay. Now, here's 4. I got to get rid of this 4 because I want x by itself. So the opposite of this is +4. Remember, if it's just hanging out by itself and there's nothing next to it, it's a positive. The opposite of +4 is -4. Boom. Because 4 minus 4 is 0. That's what you want. You want the opposite. 9 minus 4 is 5. Equals. Don't forget the -1 here. Always circle it. Always look at that. -1x. Cool. So the opposite of multiplication is division. Boom. So 5 divided by -1, a positive divided by a negative is a negative. Boom. And if you're able to do that, you can do any problem. That's that key little trick right there. Cool. Next one. Ooh, example 4. I want you to try this one on your own. 18 equals -2 times the quantity x minus 5 plus 4x. Ready, set, go. All right, see if you got what I got. I don't know. Whoop, whoop. Distribute first. 18 equals -2x. -2 times -5 is +10. Plus 4x. Just bring that down. All right, combine like terms. -2x and 4x. So 4 minus 2. When you add, it doesn't matter the order. 4 minus 2 is just 2. +2. Plus 10. Bring the plus 10 down. All right, opposite of adding 10, subtracting 10. Hopefully you got this. If you didn't get this, you're fixing it. 18 minus 10 is 8. Boom. Bring down the 2x. 2 times what is 8? That would be 4. Or 8 divided by 2 is also 4. Either one, you got it. Nice job. Hopefully you got that. Good work. All right, keep practicing, getting ready for that quiz later in the day. Good work, everybody.